Let's talk about last minute cancellation in hair salons. So what I found that in the past, for my opinion, because I did not understand clearly what client want, which means I attract the wrong client. Which means the client right now, for me, I actually only accept the client that need my skill, which is in the past I just do every single services, small like blow dry, cut, color, everything. But now I only focus on balayage color correction. So with that mean the client actually come in to ask me to help them. Actually, they want me to solve their problem. So that's why when they come in, they ask me to solve their problem. And they look on social media. They know what I can help them. So I do that for them. So I don't have much client cancellation. If you want that, you change it. Get the right client.